Okay, now that the walls are completely watertight and sealed up, we go at the windows, and obviously every window is an opening in the shell of the house, in the envelope, so I like to be super careful with sealing it. Again, we live in Ireland. There's not many countries where you can get rain diagonally coming up and not down. And the best way here to do it is, before the windows are installed, is get a water tightness tape for the window sills. Those corners here at the bottom of a window are probably one of the most vulnerable corners in a building, like where it's most likely that you get some sort of water condensation, anything dripping down, like so. I just want to know that this corner on the building is solved, rock solid. And the best way for doing so is the Proclima Extoseal waterproof tape. It's specially designed for undersill waterproofing. And you could go in one strip and just form a watertight seal here. I like to do it in different steps and do the corner first. The corners are a little bit more tricky, and for them I just like to take my time. So I just cut off a little piece here, and that's the Extoseal. It's like a super flexible one, you see that in a minute. But it's also as sticky as any air tightness tape. And I start with the corners, and ideally I like to bring it 150 mil 6-inch up either side of the reveal. Go more if you like to, or 200. I do a little bit more here, something like that. And again, I have like various strips for taking off the membrane, taking off the release strip, and that just makes it a little easier. So I peel off the middle one here now. I position my tape, give it about a 2-inch and a bit overlap to the outside, and just stick it on here for now. Boop. And boop. Go at the next release strip, peel that off. And now, rather than just tap it down, it works much better if you kind of start stretching it while you get closer to that corner. So pre-stretch it a bit and then give it a go. Now, and that's it. No cutting, no folding. Don't leave anything to chance. That corner is as watertight as it can be.